Okay, now we go on to tuples or tuples, as you can call them. Tuples are defined with round brackets. I can say 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tuples, T. Advantage of a tuple. So if I just say, first of all, if I say type of T, it says class tuple. But advantage of a tuple is something like this. If I say T of 2, of course I can access them. But if I say T of 2 is equal to 4, no, you can't change a tuple in any way. Can you add an element to tuple? No, there are two methods only. It can only return to me the count of how many numbers of the element is there. Say for example, if 6 is an element in the count in the tuple, it will return how many times 6 occurs. So if I say 9, it will say 0, right? You can also use just one more method in tuple called as index. If I say index and if I say index of 7, it's going to say it's the fourth element, right? So a tuple cannot add an element, you cannot change in tuple. So whenever you want to create a particular thing where you don't want anything to change, any parameter to change, you're going to use a tuple. Hope that is clearly understood. With these data structures in mind, we are going to have a few things. We are going to go into or enter into object-oriented programming from the next session. Thank you.